Okay, so the first significant figure is 5, and we only want one significant figure, so this is also the last digit. So I'll circle that. The decider is 4, and we can ignore everything else to the right. Remember, the decider tells us whether to round up or not. When it's 4 or less, we leave the last digit as it is. So we leave 5 alone, and so 5.47651 is 5 to one significant figure, or SF for short. Here's another one. Give 0.0045902 to 3 significant figures. Right, so this time we've got some zeros at the beginning, which we ignore, and so the first significant figure is 4. So counting on to the right, the second significant figure is 5, and the third is 9, which makes 9 the last digit we want. The decider is 0, and we can ignore the 2. Now, when the decider is 4 or less, we leave the last digit as it is, so 9 stays put. And our answer is 0.00459. Right, last one. Round 30,895 to 2 significant figures. Okay, so the first significant figure is 3, and the second is 0, and so 0 is the last digit. The decider is 8, and that's 5 or more, so we round 0 up to 1. So that's easy enough, and we can also put the 3 in to give us our 2 significant figures. There they are. But that's left us with 3 gaps before the decimal point. So time to apply our extra rule and fill them in with zeros. And that makes our answer 31,000. Okay, so let's quickly run through the rounding method one last time. First, find the position of the last digit. Then, look at the next digit to the right, the decider. If the decider is 5 or more, round up the last digit, but if it's 4 or less, leave the last digit as it is. Then, if you need to, fill in any gaps before the decimal point with zeros. And remember, the first significant figure is the first digit that isn't 0.